Hi, my name is Mohammad Fahim. I'm doing my 6-minute presentation on SAP LUMIRA. SAP LUMIRA is easy and simple to use, and we only need to know that what data set are we using and make sure the data files is cleansed so that the result does not affect. Furthermore, the data set I have used for the presentation is the same data set which I have used to write while writing a blog, make a sound for unheard voice. As you can see, this is the Excel file which I'll be using in my SAP Lumira desktop version, and I will simply acquire the data. And I I acquired the data through Microsoft Excel file, so I'll be using that one. But as you can see on the left hand side, there are a number of ways that you can use for uploading the data. So I have already the data uploaded, so I will use this one, and after clicking on it, it shows that this is the data set you will be using for visualization or for your reporting. So I'll be using this one. If you're not happy with the data file, you can just go back and select any other data file while selecting from those options. I will create the file. After clicking on it, as I can see these files, that there are automatically there are some measures and dimensions have been automatically created. So I will just it always done every time. So once you get those measures and dimensions, you can visualize anything accordingly according to your need. So I will put the casualty on the measure and the dimension on the region, because I want to see the number of casualties uh, by year or region, year and region. So I will also select the year in it. And as you can see, this visualization shows that in the year 2008, the most number of casualties happens in Africa, which is around 147,941. There is another purpose for the visualization is you can go with any kind of visualization, the line chart, the pie chart, anything. But the most important thing is that influenced me, that amazed me, is the geographical chart. As I'll put the geopie chart for use. And for the geographic data set, you have to create a geographic data set before you use the geographical chart. And for that, I'll be creating the data set, creating the geographical data set through country. Just click on the option and create a geographical history hierarchy by name, and just confirm it. And the data analyze geographical data is all set. And once it is set, uh, to make it simple, I have removed the region. Just select the country for the dimension, and it shows that in the year 2004 to 2010, there are a number of countries which has been affected by the casualties, uh, like the Brazil. If you move the cursor to any one of them, it will shows that the number of casualties by the country name, the year, and the casualties as well. So one other thing is there's a cloud-based version as well. So I'll be demonstrating that one as well. For the cloud base, you have to have an account. I'm already having an account. I already signed in and I created a data set accordingly. This is the same data set I have showed you in the desktop version. I have already acquired it. So I will just click on it, and it shows some default visualization by itself. This is the best thing. As you can see, the casualties by region, casualties by country, it's already being created. I don't have to work anymore. So If you want to go further, just click on the explore, which is right next to casualty by region or any other line. Just click on it, and once you click on it, you can change the file accordingly. If you want to measure group or the percentage, like I want, instead of casualty, I want to know the percentage. So the data is changed accordingly. The decision is, the visualization is changed accordingly. So at the end, I want to conclude this presentation by saying that anyone can use this SAP Lumira cloud-based system or the desktop version. It's really easy, but you have to focus on the reporting as well, that what kind of data set you are using, and you have to be sure what is do you want. So the at the final moment, I want to say that the cloud-based Supilumira provides you one benefit, one major benefit, and that is the even though you don't have the desktop or the laptop with you, you can easily acquire the data, because once you have uploaded the data in the cloud-based SAP Lumira, it will always be there unless you removed it by yourself. And this is all from my end. Thank you very much for your time.